Trump just gave Iran an ultimatum. They completely ignored it. Now he's doing this over and over and over again. I just did a Lego video and I thought it was fantastic. Not that I'm pro-Iran or any of that bullshit that's happening, but this is their response. And here's another one of their responses. Tell me what you think.
Good evening, America and the world. This is your late night global update. Tensions are rising in the Middle East once again as a high-stakes diplomatic standoff unfolds. President Trump has issued a firm deadline to Iran regarding the crucial shipping lanes. Meanwhile, reports say Tehran is holding its ground and pushing back on the timeline. Oil markets are watching closely. Generals are briefing lawmakers, and social media is buzzing with reactions from both capitals. Here's the latest developing story in this fast-moving situation.
Trump panics as Iran defies ultimatum. Deadlines are ticking, but the response is firm and clear. Blockade on the water, talks in Islamabad. One side wants quick action, the other says not yet. Stand by.
Oil prices climbing.
Ships changing their routes. Everybody tuned in as the headlines keep shouting out.
Trump panics as Iran defies. This afternoon, the White House confirmed the naval blockade remains fully in effect around Iranian ports and key waterways. President Trump posted on social media that the measures will continue until a complete agreement is reached on all issues. He mentioned concerns over shipping safety and called for a strong resolution to protect international trade routes. Iranian officials responded quickly in public statements, saying they will not join negotiations while pressure continues at sea. They pointed to planned talks in Islamabad, Pakistan, but added that the blockade must be addressed first for any real progress. Analysts on cable news are noting the back and forth. One side pushing for immediate concessions, the other insisting on guarantees before sitting down. Social media teams in Tehran have even shared light memes about the ongoing exchange, keeping the conversation lively across platforms. Meanwhile, U.S. military leaders have briefed Congress on potential risks, warning that any further escalation could bring high costs on all sides.
Trump panics as Iran defies ultimatum. Deadlines are ticking, but the response is firm and clear. Blockade on the water, talks in Islamabad. One side wants quick action, the other says not yet. Stand by.
Oil prices climbing.
Ships changing their routes. Everybody tuned in as the headlines keep shouting out.
Trump panics as Iran defies. In the latest development, reports confirm that certain cargo vessels have been redirected away from the area as enforcement continues. Iranian spokespeople stated they are prepared to protect their national interests and will only move forward when conditions feel balanced. No uranium-related transfers have been agreed upon, and both sides continue to state their positions firmly through official channels. President Trump has appeared on camera expressing confidence that a deal can still be reached, while also noting the blockade stays active for now. Experts watching from Washington and international capitals say the situation involves complex layers: energy security, regional stability, and long-term diplomatic goals. Some voices highlight past nuclear discussions and how they might inform the current path. Others point to the human and economic impact if the standoff drags on, urging all parties to find common ground soon. Memes and commentary continue to spread online, turning serious diplomacy into shareable moments for audiences everywhere. Trump panics as Iran defies ultimatum. Deadlines are ticking, but the response is firm and clear. Blockade on the waters, talks in Islamabad. One side wants quick action, the other says not yet. Stand by. Oil prices climbing.
Ships changing their route. Everybody tuned in as the headlines keep shouting out.
Trump panics as Iran defies ultimatum. That wraps up our special report on this developing international story. As always, the world watches closely to see whether diplomacy or continued pressure will shape the next chapter. Will the blockade lift? Will talks in Islamabad move forward? Only time and further negotiations will tell. Stay with us for continuous updates as no information comes in from the region and the White House. This has been your Global News Desk, bringing you the facts with the touch of headline energy. Thank you for watching. We'll be right back with more after the break.
You know, again, not a supporter of Iran, not a supporter of what the hell's going on at the moment, but I can say this is the second video I post that they've put together, I would imagine, completely with AI. I believe the singer is completely with AI. This whole thing is, and I would be so pissed off if everything that they put in this video you couldn't check and find to be true. And it's hard to say that about the other side. The words coming out of Washington. You just, who can you trust? Who can you really trust right now to tell you the truth? It's a damn shame. But I will say, I hope you enjoyed it. There are a lot more coming because they're just pumping these damn things out. And I'm going to keep posting it. Keep an eye out for the next one. Stand by.